everyone, I'm Alice. I'm a Chinese girl. I live in England. Today I'm going to show you how to speak Chinese about food. Do you like to eat? I know I do. Sauce! Sauce! 酱汁 酱汁 What kind of sauce would you like? 你想要哪种酱汁？你想要哪种酱汁？ Pork 猪肉 The 2 pieces of pork are too fat. 这2块猪肉太肥了。这2块猪肉太肥了。Coffee 咖啡 Who wants a coffee? 谁想要一杯咖啡？谁想要一杯咖啡？ Dinner 晚饭 I eat dinner at 6 p.m. 我在下午6点吃晚饭。Lunch 午饭 I'm having lunch. 我正在吃午饭。Pizza 披萨 Do you like eating pizza? 你爱吃披萨吗？ Sugar 糖 She added sugar to her coffee. 她在咖啡里加了些糖。Yogurt 酸奶 I teach you how to make yogurt. 我教你怎么做酸奶。Salad 沙拉 Would you like some vegetable salad? 你想要一些蔬菜沙拉吗？ Milk 牛奶 Mary likes milk very much. 玛丽非常喜欢牛奶。Yummy. Yum. I'm full. Are you full? That's all for today. Hope you like it. Bye.